Hey garden lovers! Did you know that some plants can keep coming back year after year without you replanting them? Yep, that's the magic of perennials. If you've ever wanted a garden that practically grows itself, raised beds filled with perennials are the way to go. They save space, reduce weeds, and keep your plants happy all year round. Today, I'll share the top 12 perennial plants that thrive beautifully in raised beds, easy to care for, long-lasting, and perfect for beginners or seasoned gardeners. Let's get growing. 1. Lavender. Let's start with the classic lavender. It loves well-drained soil, which makes raised beds perfect for it. The fragrant blooms attract bees and butterflies, and the scent is calming for you too. Once it's established, it barely needs watering. Bonus: it's drought-tolerant and keeps mosquitoes away. 2. Chives. A gardener's secret weapon. Chives are easy to grow, come back every spring, and add that mild onion flavor to your cooking. The purple flowers look great and attract pollinators. Snip them regularly and they'll keep producing for months. 3. Echinacea. These tough beauties love the sun and dry soil, ideal for raised beds. Echinacea blooms all summer and is famous for its immune-boosting properties. The flowers come in pink, purple, and even orange varieties. Bees adore them. 4. Thyme. If you want a plant that smells amazing and fills gaps between others, thyme is your buddy. It grows low and spreads out nicely. It's evergreen in many climates and thrives in dry, sunny raised beds. Use it fresh or dried. It's a kitchen favorite. 5. Daylilies. Want color without much effort? Daylilies are your answer. They bloom in bright yellows, oranges, and reds, and each flower lasts only a day, but new ones keep coming. They handle poor soil and heat really well, perfect for raised beds with minimal fuss. 6. Sage. Not just a culinary herb, sage is also a stunning plant with gray-green leaves and purple blooms. It's hardy, loves sun, and thrives in raised beds that don't hold too much water. Plus, pollinators can't resist it. 7. Hostas. If you have a shady raised bed, hostas are unbeatable. Their lush green or variegated leaves create instant texture and contrast. They're perennials that just keep expanding every year. Divide them occasionally to spread the beauty. 8. Sedum. For those who want a low-maintenance ground cover, sedum is perfect. It's a succulent perennial that loves dry soil and full sun. In late summer, it bursts into pink or yellow blooms that attract butterflies. It's one of the most drought-tolerant plants out there. 9. Strawberries? Yes, they're perennials too. Strawberries do amazingly well in raised beds because the soil stays warm and drains fast. You'll get sweet berries every summer, and the plants will spread gently each year. Just mulch them in winter to protect the roots. 10. Mint. If you love fresh tea or cocktails, mint is a must-have. But here's a tip. Always plant it in a pot or a contained section of your raised bed because it spreads fast. It's hardy, aromatic, and keeps pests away naturally. 11. Black-eyed Susan. A burst of sunshine. Black-eyed Susans bring bright yellow blooms that last from summer into fall. They handle heat and poor soil like champs. Perfect for adding color and attracting bees and butterflies to your raised bed garden. 12. Rhubarb. This one's a bit different, a perennial veggie. Rhubarb thrives in raised beds because it likes rich, well-drained soil. Once it's settled, it comes back stronger each spring. Just remember, the stalks are edible, but the leaves are toxic, so trim carefully. Extra tips. Use good quality compost and refresh the top few inches every spring. Perennials love nutrient-rich soil. Add mulch to keep roots cool and hold moisture. Divide crowded plants every few years to keep them healthy and productive. Water deeply but less often. Raised beds dry faster than ground soil. Choose perennials that match your sunlight. Some, like lavender, love full sun. Others, like hostas, prefer shade. So, which perennial would you plant first in your raised bed garden? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear your picks. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that little bell so you don't miss more gardening ideas every week. Until next time, happy planting, and may your garden keep growing year after year.